Welcome to Northwest Gun Reviewers. My name is Garrett. Today I'll be doing an unboxing and first impressions of the Adaptive Tactical Receiver Mounted Shell Carrier. This is for the Mossberg 500, 80, and 590. They also do make it for the Remington E70. So we're going to get to the unboxing now. So the shell carrier. It's a two-piece design. Metal in the back, polycarbonate material on the front. It does have a flex to the shell holder, so if your shells are just a little bit oversized, they will fit. Also comes with a pamphlet, the install instructions, other products that Adaptive Tactical does have, and the necessary hardware. Comes with 2 Allen wrenches, double head screw, and an end screw. My first impressions of the shell holder are it's very lightweight, seems to be built out of a nice durable material. Got the 2 mounting points, and what's nice is that they are holes are drilled out so the screws will sit flush instead of sitting out like some other companies out there. I'm looking forward to putting this on the Mossberg 500 build that we're going to be doing here in the near future, and it is a full Adaptive Tactical build. So that is it for the unboxing and my first impressions of the Adaptive Tactical Receiver Mounted Shell Carrier. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, hit the like button down below. For future videos, please subscribe to the channel. As always, thank you for watching.